Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. In this video today I'm going to talk about SAM2K18 or SM2K18, whatever the name is, and the rumors surrounding it. Who is exactly the person behind this SM2K18 and what really happened, plus news on the crack of Forza Horizon 4. So this is an action-packed episode. Watch till the end because trust me, it's going to be very interesting. So with that, let's get it started. But firstly, I'm going to share you some of the photos which you gamers have shared with me on my Facebook page as well as mailed me about their gaming setup. So here it is, the gaming setup of few of the gamers. So thanks for this wonderful pictures. With that, let's move on to the first story, which is about SAM2K18 or SM2K18, whatever the name is. So first we have to understand that this does not belong to a scene group. It's not a group, it's an individual kind of thing. Now you have to understand what is the difference between a scene group and a P2P group. Now a scene group has certain code of rules which they follow, and the rules suggest the standard of the crack, the standardization or the crack is stable or not, and it is working on various system or not. So such kind of rules or code of conduct particular scene group follows. Whether the P2P group doesn't follow any rules and they do not abide such rules, so the scene groups are not happy with this P2P groups. Now coming on to the news, now there were rumors that accidentally Capcom released the .exe file of DMC Cry 5. Now this whole news sounds very like fishy kind of thing. Capcom is a big company, it's not a small company on our street or our locality. It's a big multi-billionaire company, and do you really think that they can make such a mistake that they will accidentally they will release their main game which they are going to launch, their exe file? So is that possible? No, this is absolutely not possible. And like I think this news which surfaced on the internet is trying to like cover up the whole thing which has happened. Now what really happened and what reports I have, that SAM2K18 is like Voxy, who was working as undercover in Capcom. So yes, that was a news which I got. He was trying to leak some of the game files and managed to leak, and that's how Devil May Cry 5 was cracked, as you can see. So cracked in the sense the exe file was launched and it was in the public domain, so it was available to all. So you can tell this, you can term this as being cracked. Yes, Capcom trying to like bring the news out that accidentally launches. Do not believe on those news because it's just a cover up. The question which should come up in your mind is that the end or just the beginning of big thing and major things coming from SAM2K18? So the answer to that is yes, bigger things are expected from SAM2K18, bigger games being cracked or being leaked out. So that is the major update and major scenario regarding SAM2K18. Moving on to the next news regarding Forza Horizon 4. Now as you have watched my previous vlog, I said that Steampunks was working on Forza Horizon 4, and the news regarding the crack is that they have started work and the progress seems quite good. Yes, the progress seems quite good and they have made good progress on that. So that's the news regarding Forza Horizon 4. I expect you guys to be patient because things are looking good, just and more good thing or the crack could be out. So that's the news regarding Forza Horizon 4. So with that we come to the end of this episode of vlog. So hopefully you like this episode, and do put your comments what do you think about this SM2K18 and like what are your thoughts about it. Plus hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button. If you're a new person watching this video, hit that subscribe button now and share this video. Till then, hope you are enjoying this vlog series and all of the content on my channel. See you in another vlog. Till then, bye bye, keep gaming, be charismatic, and give us a like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, be charismatic.